13 horses are removed from a Sunbury area property and the owners are facing charges. Today is Monday, April 27th, and this is 570 News on the Go, brought to you in part by NorthCentralPA.com. Sunny today with a high near 70. A Sunbury area couple is facing multiple charges for allegedly neglecting dozens of horses. According to North Central PA, 33-year-old Samantha Snyder and 56-year-old Edward Snyder have each been charged with animal cruelty. When a vet was called to their farm to treat a horse with a broken leg, the veterinarian observed the pastures were overcrowded, there was no adequate food or shelter for 35 horses, and the water troughs were frozen solid. Approximately 13 horses, ranging in age from 2 to 19, were removed from the property. All 13 were suffering from various health conditions. One of the horses could no longer stand and had to be euthanized. A Snyder County woman has been sentenced to 14 years in federal prison related to her conviction for possession with intent to distribute methamphetamine, fentanyl, and crack cocaine. During January of 2023, law enforcement conducted a controlled purchase of narcotics from 40-year-old Valerie Talon of Selinsgrove. She had professed that she had taken over her incarcerated boyfriend's drug trafficking business. Officers obtained a search warrant for the property where she was living and recovered approximately 25 grams of fentanyl, 11 grams of crack cocaine, and 1.5 pounds of crystal meth. 49-year-old Tyrone Wade of Williamsport was indicted by a federal grand jury on a drug trafficking charge. The indictment charges Wade with possession with intent to deliver cocaine on March 26th of this year in Montour County. The maximum penalty under federal law for the most significant offense is 20 years of confinement. A Center County police officer has abruptly resigned amid allegations he added false information to official police reports. Former Spring Township police officer Stephen Kutches admitted to the state police that during DUI stops, he did not see certain impairment signs, but would still include such details in his report, saying otherwise. WTAJ reports there are 5 cases pending that involve Kutches, although 4 of those have already been dismissed. North Central PA reports a drive-through restaurant chain is planned for the corner of Mulberry Street and the Via Bella in Williamsport. The developer, Allen Emerson Company, has not disclosed the name of the potential business. The parking lot where the restaurant will be constructed is currently owned by the Williamsport Parking Authority. Williamsport Council recently passed a resolution authorizing the sale of that property for over $300,000. Construction of a new campground will soon get underway along the Coudersport Pike Road in Lycoming County's Cummings Township. The property on 53 acres owned by John Grand will include 6 cabins and 147 RV sites. The Lycoming County Planning Commission gave the go-ahead for the project, providing certain conditions are met regarding road design, on-site water systems, and stormwater management. On Saturday, students from the Lycoming County Youth Development Task Force took part in a Sticker Shock event at a Williamsport retailer. Sticker Shock is an initiative designed to reach adults who might purchase alcohol legally and provide it to minors. Stickers warning of the consequences of selling alcohol to minors were placed on multiple packs of beer and other alcohol products at the Beverage Barn on Lycoming Creek Road. Those taking part in the weekend event included the YDTF students and advisors, West Branch Drug and Alcohol Prevention Specialist Pasha Ferry, and the Lycoming Regional Police. And Commonwealth University Lock Haven student Mackenzie Brooks was recently awarded the Life Saving Award by the American Red Cross for saving the life of an infant. Last October, while she was walking to class, she noticed a distressed family on the phone with 911 as their child was choking and unable to breathe. She approached the family to help, telling them she was certified in CPR and delivered back blows to the infant, clearing the obstruction before emergency responders arrived. For the latest in news and events, head on over to NorthCentralPA.com. I'm Liz Brady, and you're up to date with 570 News on the Go.